But I'm in a constant war with children to clean stuff.
You got 3 little ones?
I got 3 little ones. They got chores, but you got to keep on.
Uh-huh.
They do pretty good. My daughter's really good at cleaning.
Oh, okay.
She can take care of an area really well. It's just getting her to begin the activity. Once she's going, she does a good job.
How old is your daughter?
She's 8.
Oh.
I have twins that are 8.
Oh, my God.
One daughter and one son that's 8. Boy-girl twins. And an older son that wouldn't know how to clean something if it smacked him in the face. Now, he couldn't clean something. He had a hard enough time cleaning his own body.
Oh, you know.
But no, they do pretty good for kids.
Yeah.
So.
So you gotta pour water down into it to see if it drains?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to fill it up with a couple cups of water.
Okay.
If it doesn't rise to the top, we're happy. I'm pretty sure we're going to be happy. Because that thing was blocked pretty solid.
Yeah, I was just worried. I said, oh, please don't stop this weekend. Don't stop cooling this weekend. Mama's not coming until next week. I mean, the AC man is not coming until next week. Just keep going.
Well, the water is going down just fine now.
Oh, okay.
So you have no worries. I'm going to put one more through it, then I'll piece it back together. And it must not be running right now. I didn't even turn it off. I didn't think about that. I'll turn it off just to make sure it doesn't run while I'm doing it.
Okay.
And then we'll turn it back on.
I thought you had turned it off when I was starting.
I think it's just a coincidence. I didn't even think about it because it wasn't running. Oh yeah, we're good.
Going down good?
Yes, ma'am. We're just fine. I'm gonna set this back on your phone.
Okay.